Hi, good morning, good evening. So, this is ARPP Cloud Technologies, and in this video, in this this is the course of Python. So, let's begin with a Python course. So, in this video, we will learn what is Python, how to install Python, brief introduction of Python, and rest about Python, list, tuples, types of types types of like com- commands that are given, loops, and many more we will learn in our video. So let's begin. So so the topics to be covered are Python introduction. In this video we will take a Python introduction, what is Python, and then we will have Python install. So these both topics we will cover in our session. So let's begin. So what is Python? The terms asks us what is Python. I will. Um, so Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guide van Rossum. So he was the creator of the Python, and he released this in 1991. Python was used for web development, server side, okay, software development, mathematics. Python was also used for mathematics and system scripting. So Python was popular in programming language, and it's popular because of its easy way that we can learn it. It's easy to learn, and it's easy to write and understand. So Greed Van Rossum created it, and it was released in 1991. What can Python do? Okay, so this question asks what can Python do? Python can be used for server to create web applications. So it is used for on a server to create a web application. It can also be used alongside software to create workflows. It can be used as a software to create workflows. Okay, we can also use it as a software. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. So it can connect database systems, and it can also modify files. It can read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Okay, so Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Okay. Why Python? Why we use Python only? So let me explain in my words. Like Python, I feel it is very easy language that can be used by anyone. It can be it is interesting and easy to learn, and we can understand it, write it, and the codes are not like higher level of Java that we need only some people can master it. So if you take a course of Python in ours, you can master Python. Python works on different platforms. Windows means it is not restricted on any platform. It can work on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Yeah, it is similar like English language. Python has syntax that allow developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. It makes the program short, and this makes the programmer to understand it easily, and the codes are not like high level, so they need, if they write to print this small thing, they need to write big codes. Only print, like this function we can use to just print anything. It runs on an interpreter system. It is an interpreter based language, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in pros- procedural way, an object oriented way, or a functional way. So this is fact, or you can understand it. The most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. Okay. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security update, it's still quite popular. So Python 2 is popular, but in this tutorial we will be using Python 3. In this tutorial, Python will be written in text editor or in PyCharm, okay, or it is possible to write in integrated development environment. I will show you in the ideally shell also, such as uh, we will use PyCharm, NetBeans, Eclipse, and Thorny. We will not be using. We will only be using PyCharm. So I prefer you to use PyCharm only, as it makes us understand the code and briefs about the code, what the syntax says, and if there is an error, it updates us quickly, which are the particularly useful when managing larger collection of Python files. So Python says syntax compared to other programming language. Python has was designed for readability and has some similarities to English language. Means English language and Python has some similarity. Like it is easy to speak English, understand English. Like that way only, it is easy to read and write reading Python and understand it. Python is a mixture of, like, it is influenced by mathematics and it is similar to English. Like it is both mixture of English and mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming language, which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using white spaces to define scope, such as a scope of loops, function, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets and other pur- for these other purposes. So, how to install Python? Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. Like if a developer buys a Python, like if a developer buys a PC and he tells that I am a developer, I am a programmer, so the it is pre-installed. To check if you have the Python installed in the Windows system, you can just you can just first check Python. Let me open CMD. Python version. Mm. So it will show. I think I have some error, so it is not showing. Mm, I think Python is installed here. Let me show you Python. So it is installed. So this is Python one. कहाँ गया? JetBrains PEP. Hmm. So this is Python 3.11. This I am using. So let me now. So to check, this is for Windows PC and this is for Mac and Linux. Okay. You can open in terminal, just type Python version. If you find that you don't have Python installed in your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website. So this is the website name. You can just visit python.org. Let me show you, or I will give the link in the description. Python.org. This is the website, and from here you can download. Like I have downloaded, so it's not showing. Here it only shows that Python download for PC. Okay, so this is the website name. I will give the link in the description. Okay, so that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Keep watching our channel, and please subscribe and like and subscribe our channel so that we can make more videos like this in future. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks for